Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add and remove functions from one of your tabs inside of Survey Crew. So this helps you organize only the functions you need or bring back those that you have hidden. So what I'm going to do to begin here is head to my Survey tab, and you can see here I have a variety of features, and to hide any one of them, what I'm going to do is press and hold on the icon just like you would on your phone, at which point you will see a little red minus sign appear. Now to remove it, all I need to do is click on that red minus sign. And if I want to bring any of them back, what I'm going to do is click on More, where I can now press and hold those icons, at which point a little red plus button will appear. And if I click that, it will reappear in the main tab. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you hide and refine your icons and tools inside of Survey Crew. And if you have a moment, I'd ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out, helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.